Hello Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day today and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and my favorite thing about February is Valentine's Day. So today we will be making our own puffy heart decorations that you could put up anywhere. You only need a few simple materials: construction paper, tissue paper, glue, a marker, scissors, string, and something sharp. Let's get started. First, you're going to take your marker and your construction paper and draw a heart. You can make it as big or as small as you would like. I'm going to go ahead and make mine about the size of the paper. Just like that. Next, you're going to go ahead and take your tissue paper and your scissors and start cutting up different sizes. I think it's best to cut it all up at one time and get it over with. Let's go ahead, cut that. And I will be using different colors just to make mine a little more colorful and bright. So now that we have our heart drawn on our construction paper and all of our tissue paper cut out, it's time to start putting everything together. We're going to go ahead and take our glue. It's best to go section by section so your glue doesn't dry out on the paper before you have time to put your tissue paper on there. And you can go ahead and put it on there as messy or as clean as you would like. Wow, look how beautiful and colorful that heart is. Now we're going to go ahead and take our scissors and cut it out. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Now that our heart is cut out, it's time to find our something sharp, and we're going to put a hole right in the top, then take our string and put it through, and it's ready to hang up. And there you have it, a puffy heart perfect for a Valentine's decoration. I'm going to go ahead and hang this up, and I can't wait to see what you create also. Happy crafting!